Today I am reviewing the iBUYPOWER Scale Gaming PC Desktop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to gaming desktops that strike the perfect balance between performance, aesthetics, and reliability, the iBUYPOWER Scale Gaming PC stands out as a true contender in 2025. Whether you're a competitive gamer, a content creator, or someone who wants a smooth and responsive computing experience, this pre-built system has a lot to offer. At the heart of the Scale Gaming PC is the Intel Core i5-14400F processor, a powerful CPU capable of handling high-demand applications and AAA games without breaking sweat. With multiple cores and threads optimized for modern gaming and multitasking, this processor ensures that you can game, stream, and work simultaneously with minimal lag. Coupled with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4068GB graphics card, the system delivers stunning visuals with support for ray tracing, advanced shading, and smooth frame rates. Games like Fortnite, Apex Legends, Call of Duty, Minecraft, and Cyberpunk 2077 run flawlessly at high settings, giving you a highly immersive gaming experience. The Scale Gaming PC doesn't just focus on raw performance. It also boasts 16GB of DDR5 RGB RAM running at 5200 MHz. This high-speed memory ensures lightning-fast response times for applications, quick loading of games, and seamless multitasking. The included 1TB NVMe SSD further enhances speed, drastically reducing boot times, game load times, and file transfers. You'll spend more time playing and creating, and less time waiting. From a design perspective, the iBUYPOWER Scale Gaming PC is visually striking. It comes in a tempered glass RGB gaming case with 16-color RGB lighting, making it an instant centerpiece for any gaming setup. The case not only looks impressive, but also provides excellent airflow and cooling, keeping all your components running efficiently during long gaming sessions. Additional connectivity features include 6 USB 3.1 ports, Ethernet support, onboard audio, and built-in 802.11 AC Wi-Fi, giving you versatile options for peripherals, network connections, and external devices. Another major bonus with this system is the free iBUYPOWER gaming keyboard and RGB gaming mouse, which are already tuned for gaming performance. This means you can jump straight into gaming right out of the box without worrying about purchasing additional accessories. Windows 11 Home comes pre-installed, providing a modern, intuitive interface and compatibility with the latest software and games. In summary, the iBUYPOWER Scale Gaming PC combines high-end performance, modern design, and out-of-the-box readiness to deliver an exceptional gaming experience. Whether you're a serious gamer aiming for high frame rates, a content creator editing videos, or someone who just wants a fast and reliable PC for everyday tasks, this system provides value, performance, and style all in one package. With its powerful Intel Core i5 processor, RTX 4060 GPU, ultra-fast DDR5 RAM, and 1TB NVMe storage, the Scale Gaming PC is truly built for next-level gaming and computing in 2025.